Hi and welcome. Today we are going to make Shiir Piire, which is a Persian sweet suitable for, among other things, Christmas. Here is the list of what you need, and you can always download that at my blog. To start with, you grind the pistachio nuts roughly and set it aside. Do the same with the walnuts. Chop the walnuts and set it aside. Put the sugar in a small saucepan and pour over the water and let it boil. Lower the heat and simmer for 15 minutes. Pour maple syrup and rose water during this time. Mix the walnut, milk powder, cardamom in a spacious bowl and mix it all very well. After 15 minutes, pour the syrup as you have boiled over the dry ingredients and mix it very well until you get a smooth dough. Rest the mold or the form that you are going to use with aluminium foil and pour over the dough. Smooth it out in the mold. Finally, you pour over the pistachio nuts and press it down with a spoon or a spatula. Make sure to put it in the fridge, cover and put it in the fridge for 24 hours. Then you take it out, remove the foil and cut it into desired pieces. Make sure not to make too big pieces, in smaller pieces. And it's so heavenly and so nice. And it suits everyone to eat, with or without good teeth. Nusha John.